So good morning, everyone. In the last class, we learned about some table options. So we are going to repeat the same, but with different options. Huh? In the last class, we learned this table. Okay, there's a one table and there's another table we create, and there's a coding. This is a coding for first table. I write here the table only. Then we start the table row. Then we write here table heading. Then serial number. This content we write. Okay, and then we close the table row here. Then again create one new table row here. Then we write some contents here, and then we close the table row here. Same like we did 3 times. Okay, 3 and 4 times, and then we close the table here. Then we use the break tag for give some space. Then we write coding for another table. Okay, and here we write the table border. See here, in this first I write only the table option. In the second I write the table border. Okay, and then close this also. It is same table. Going to save and see. In this I write only the table, so that's why there's no border. Okay, because we write here the only table. If we write here the border, if I write here border and save this file, I'm going to refresh this page. So what will happen? The border will come. Okay, and if you write here border 0, if you write here the border 0, it's mean there's a no border. So at the place of border 0, you can do one thing: don't write anything here. Don't write anything here. So what will happen? There's no border. And for this, you write only the table border. So this border comes. Okay. But if you're writing here table border 5, table border 5, going to save this file and see, refresh this page. So the border is thick. Okay. Let me change. I'm going to write here at the place of 5, going to write 10. Save this file and going to refresh the page. See, it will increase the thickness of the border. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So we have two kind of table. One is borderless, another is the with border. Okay, so if you want to make a table without border, so write only the table, or otherwise you can write here the border 0. You have two options. If you want to make a table without border, so you can write here table border 0, or either you can write the table only. And if you want to increase the thickness of the border, so you can write here 10, or you can write like 50 also. If you write 50, so what will happen? Let me save the file and going to refresh this page. It like this. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, the same question number 20 is based on the same thing. Table border 0. Okay, this is the question number 20. Let me copy this coding and show you. Okay, going to copy and going to paste it here. This is the question number 21, I think. Yeah, question number 21. Let me explain. uh, थोड़ा सा चेंज करना पड़ेगा. This coding we have to change. Got it. Had. Okay. HTML head, title, title close, head close. This option is called the cell padding. Okay. This option is called cell padding. We write here the table border 1. Table border 1. Width is 25%. Cell padding 10. Align center. Okay. Align the center. And now I'm going to make here let me separate the coding, so otherwise you will be confused. Okay. Now see, we start from here, doc type HTML, coding, then head, then title tag, then close the title tag, then again head, close, then start the body, then we write here the center. Why? Because if you write here center, so whatever we write in the in between the center tag, it will come in the middle of the page, okay, center of the page. So we are going to write here the table option, table border 1. Till this we already learned, okay, we study. Now this is some new coding like table width. It is the width of the table 25%, cell padding 10, and align center, okay. Then it's okay. Then we are going to write here the table row. We are going to create here the table row. This coding is for the create a new table row, okay. So table row, and this table row we write here the name, and then th, the name, then th. If you write th, so the things will come bold letters, okay. This name will come in a bold letter. If you write in td, so it will come simple font, okay. So then in the heading we write table heading, in we write name, and the another table heading we write the age, then table heading close, then row close. Then we create the new table row, and we put the here data Kuldeep name, and for age we write here 21, it closed, then table close, then again new table row, then we write here Isha, then close this table, and this like that, okay. Let me save this file. Sorry, 21.html, okay, 21.html, and going to open the folder. Where is the yeah, this is our file, okay. So open with Google Chrome. This is the table, and now I am going to again copy the same table, copy, I'm going to paste it here, okay, and I'm going to remove this all this thing. This coding is for table like before we create, okay. And now got the difference. थोड़ा सा br tag कर देते हैं तो थोड़ा सा gap हो जाएगा. Need some here br tag. Save किया file को. Then refresh the page. Now see, there's a difference between this table and this table. Reply please.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference?
First is big, second is small.
This is increase, okay. This is the big, okay. The width is increase. Why? Because in this table we write here the width 25%. If I write here 50%, then what will happen?
Same.
If I write here the 50%, so what will happen?
It will be
This
with
table
more,
will be
sir.
50% of the page. It will occupy the 50% of this width of the page. Okay.
Sir.
Is it clear?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. So this option is just width. So this width option is clear to everyone. What is the use of this width in this table?
For increasing, sir, for big.
Because of this width 50%, it the increase of the width, okay. If you write here only the like 30%, so what will happen? It will come only the 30% of the page. If you write 100%, what will happen?
It will be an increase more.
It will occupy the whole space like that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Whatever the width of the
Yes,
page,
sir.
it will occupy all. So I'm writing here how much? 35%. So 30%,
35%.
30%. Suppose I'm writing here 31 like this. Okay. And what about the cell padding? Height. Cell padding is the height. Like I'm writing here the 20. How much? 20. Now see. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Width for
Yes, sir.
width of this, and for increase the height of these cells. Okay. You can write the cell padding. You can write here the 20% also. Let me see if any changes. No changes. Yeah. 50%. If I write 50%, so it will occupy the 50% of this space. Or you can write simply or without percentage also you can write. If you write at the place of center, right, then what will happen? File, save. This table will come on the right side of the page. See, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And right for this table, I'm writing here the left. So what will happen? It will come on the left side. If you want to make two tables on the same page, if you want to make it two table on the same page, so it will come like this. If you're not writing this align, so what will happen? अगर आप align नहीं लिखोगे तो क्या होगा? ये एक टेबल के नीचे दूसरा टेबल आ जाएगा. If you're not writing here align, so it will come like this. But अगर आप align लिखोगे तो, if you write here alignment, like right alignment for this, huh? इसको लेफ्ट लिख दिया तो ये ऐसा आ जाएगा. ठीक है ना? Is it clear, this option?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this width and the cell padding, both option clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next topic is the, at the place of cell padding, you can write the cell spacing. Okay. Cell spacing. एक काम करते हैं, कंट्रोल ए कंट्रोल सी, एक न्यू पेज लेते हैं, पेस्ट करते हैं, and at the place of cell padding we will write here cell spacing. Okay, क्या लिखा था? Cell padding, right? So now I will write here the एक काम करते हैं, सेम इसको रखते हैं, बस उसमें वो चेंज कर देंगे. ठीक है, इसको भी 20 कर लेते हैं. Now this is two table. In one we write here right. Oh, sorry. We write here the इसको सेंटर कर देते हैं, इसको भी सेंटर कर लो. Save 21.html. Okay, 21.html. So I think, oh sorry, 22 लिखना है, right? 22.html. In one question we in one table we write here cell padding. In another table we write here the cell spacing. Now let me check the coding. There's a question. Open file with Google Chrome.
Sir,
Yes.
cell spacing second है ना? Cell spacing.
Increase or decrease the spacing, you will find out. Like I'm writing here the 10. Okay, इसको save किया and going to refresh. So whatever you will give space, it will create a border around the page ना, तो इस border के बीच में space होगा. It is same like see. ये तो normal है. Cell padding only for the height of the table. Okay, cell padding is used for the height of the table. And if you want to increase the distance between the border of the table, so you can use a cell spacing. Cell spacing like 25 you can write like this. Is it okay? You can use the cell padding also with this. You can use a cell padding also with that. Like I want cell padding also and cell spacing also. See, table is same, but this is space. Okay, the space between the table this and cell and this line is increased only because of this cell spacing. If you write here only one, so it will come more closer. It will come more closer. Okay, if you write 0 then ऐसा हो जाएगा, वो मैच हो जाएगा साथ में. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.